Hi Tracy, this is Jim with Baltimore Rug and Carpet. Hey, I just wanted to let you know we're already flushing out the rug. This will be cleaned today, and then it still has to go through drying and grooming. And you can see that this water is super yellow. Normally we would think this is pee, but again, I know you said that there is none, so it's throw up or poop or whatever it is that's in the rug, but it's very, very yellow. So what basically what we've done is we've set up, there's actually a pole inside of the rug, and it has a bunch of holes, and it allows us to flush water inside of the rug by sucking it in, and then it pulls it out through this tube over here and then into this pump, and then it comes out, and we're flushing through 80 gallons per minute, and that's and basically that's the process. So just wanted to show you what's going on. After this, we'll clean the rug. The solution in here is designed for silk, which works beautifully for art silk, and basically we'll go ahead and we'll continue working on it. We'll probably have it for you very early. It all depends on how it dries, how it looks, how we feel about the rug. So expect it maybe for next week. Okay, thank you, have a great day.